Just so you know, I'm not some random kid on the internet trying to give advice about something he doesn't know about. I'll just tell you now, I'm 15, making about £1.5 grand per month from my self-improvement channel, because there are simply just so many kids out there that will tell you how to make like 10 grand a month, yet they haven't made a single dollar online yet. So because I'm in the position that you want to be in, take this video seriously, okay? Put it on full screen, stop looking at the comments, actually take this video seriously. Stop, don't treat it like any other random video that you just like click off randomly because your brain does. Get some notes out on your phone, genuinely take notes on this, okay? Because this video will help you. In about November last year, 2023, my channel was completely popping off. I'd had my channel for about 5 months at the time. And during those first 5 months, I'd only got up to like 300 subscribers, which wasn't actually that good. But then during that November, I started doing something differently. I started posting shorts. I was copying Jack Piggott, if you know him. I was copying his like kind of shorts, and I completely popped off with them. I was getting like 3K, 5K, 10K views per short, and I was getting loads and loads of subscribers for all the shorts. I was seeing bigger and bigger numbers, and so I just kept making more and more cringy, like entertaining kind of shorts. I'll give you an example of what kind of stuff I was posting on screen now. Sticking out your gad for the rears. Like seriously, bro, are you okay in the head? You've been scrolling for the past hour, watching these stupid videos. I think you need some help to stop scrolling. But those kind of shorts are working. They were getting me bigger numbers, and so I just carried on doing them. The problem was I got addicted to the subscribers and the views. I'm not joking, I probably checked YouTube Studio like once every 10 minutes on average. It was crazy. These shorts I was making didn't actually hold any value. They weren't actually helping anyone, but they were just getting loads of views and loads of subscribers, and I was addicted to that, and so I carried on. I started to become more of an entertainer than an educator, and it all became meaningless because the whole point of having a self-improvement channel in the first place is to actually help people and educate people. But then eventually I realized that what I was actually doing wasn't helping anyone. I realized that I was actually just addicted to the views and the subscribers, and so just like that, I stopped. And with that, my whole channel growth stopped too. Literally, I was getting like 2 subscribers a day then. And instead, I started focusing on genuinely educational and helpful videos, just like this one. And with that, I also started selling a product. And together, I actually started helping people loads and also making money. I went from what most self-improvement YouTubers are nowadays, just entertainers trying to get loads of views and subscribers, to someone that actually gives value and helps people and actually makes a difference in people's lives. And just for this video, I've put together 6 steps on exactly what you can do what I did, so you can actually start genuinely changing people's lives, and so you can actually start making money with your channel too. Be honest with yourself. Are you addicted to views and subscribers? Are you addicted to getting bigger numbers on YouTube Studio? How often do you check YouTube Studio per day? Because if you truly think about it, and if you be honest with yourself, you might be quite addicted to just bigger numbers. And honestly, man, I do not blame you, because it's all YouTube's fault, okay? YouTube, what they've done is they've gamified making videos. This is how they make their money. They gamify analytics and statistics to make you feel like you're playing a game, and you basically just get addicted to the statistics. They have done it on purpose to make you addicted to the views, just to keep you around creating content for them to make them money. So be honest with yourself, because I was too. Are you addicted to the views and subscribers? And then if you are, you'll naturally just prioritize the value of your video less. You'll naturally just prioritize the impact you can have on your viewers less. And if you do that, not only will you help your viewers less, you will also become more of a clickbaity YouTuber. That short I showed you earlier, if you just completely get addicted to views and subscribers, you will end up making stuff like that, okay? And obviously, videos like that, they don't help anyone. And if you become more of a clickbaity YouTuber, then you're gonna prioritize the value and the impact you have on your viewers less. And if you care about helping your viewers less, your viewers are gonna care less about you, because you're gonna have a less of an impact on their lives. And if they care less about you, they're much less likely to buy your products, which means you are much less likely to make money. Instead of prioritizing views and subscribers, you simply just have to prioritize how valuable your videos are and how much you're gonna help people, and that's what will start making you money. So what you need to do is to simply just let go of your desire for views and subscribers, and simply just focus on making your videos as valuable as possible. I mean, just look at this video here. I'm not prioritizing views or subscribers in this video. I haven't told you to subscribe or smash the like button, guys, have I? Okay, I haven't said, okay, watch the end of the video to uncover the secret surprise, have I? I've done none of that. For this video, I've simply just prioritized helping you and giving you as much value as possible. And then because of that, you're gonna like me more, which means you're more likely to watch more of the video, which means YouTube is more likely to show the video to more people, which then means the video is more likely to get more views. So because I've prioritized value in this video is actually gonna do better. And I'll tell you, scroll down to the views right now. I've got no clue how many views this video is going to get, but scroll down. It's still a decent amount, isn't it? And I'm not doing any of the clickbaity stuff, okay? I'm not prioritizing views in this video at all. I'm simply just prioritizing helping you, yet this video is actually doing better than a video if I made it clickbaity. And not only that, once you actually start making videos that you know help people, you actually become proud of yourself. You start to have some self-respect for yourself. Because I'll tell you, when I was making those YouTube shorts, like the sticking out you get for the Rizzlers kind of stuff, I had no self-respect for myself. I had no respect for myself because I knew I was just doing it for the views and the subscribers, and I knew I didn't actually want to do that, and I knew it wasn't helping people. But now when I make videos like this, I'm genuinely happy. I actually enjoy recording this. It's kind of mentally hard to speak on camera like this, but I actually really love making videos like this, simply because I know it helps you and it gives me a really big sense of self-respect. I mean, even Alex Hormozi said himself that the best way to make videos is to simply just make them educational and focus solely on education. So stop caring about the number of views and number of subscribers, and instead just start caring about how much you can actually help people. Because here's another thing, not all views are equal. Because look at it this way, you could get 10,000 views on a YouTube short, and that YouTube short could be you singing Sticking Out Your Gat for the Rizzler, but then you could get 1,000 views on a video about making money that's 20 minutes long and actually really helps people. Okay, which video is worth more, that 10,000 views of you singing out, sticking out your gut for a Rizzler, or the 1,000 views of the video you're actually helping people? Which one's going to be worth more? It's going to be this video, isn't it? Where you get 1,000 views. Although you got 10 times less views, you're going to help people 100 or 1,000 times more, which means this video is actually going to be worth more. For the next few steps, I'm going to go over exactly how you can make money with your self-improvement channel. It's the same way I do it, and PS, it's simply just selling a product to your audience. And for this, I sell my program/coaching, where I will guarantee you will make money and build success if you join. It is my mission to make sure you succeed. It is my mission to make sure you actually win with this, and I want to help you. Because bro, I know exactly what it's like being stuck at that level where you can't make any money with it, you're struggling to grow a lot. I know exactly what that's like because I was there. I was there too, and I got past that. I succeeded out of that, and now it is simply my mission to help you to do the same because I want you to succeed. And for that, I put together my program where you get like one-on-one help from me, so I can give you exactly what you need to do to make sure you get your first sale as fast as possible. I've really helped so many of the guys just like you to do the same. It's literally the only link in the description, so go click that right now, bro, because I will change your life. Step 2, build your product. The first thing you have to do is to simply just decide what you actually want to help people with. There's so many guys out there who try and sell coaching and just general self-improvement or general productivity and stuff, and it's just too broad. So pick one specific thing that you want to help people with. So maybe it could be sleep, maybe it could be deep work, maybe it could be anxiety, I don't know. Just pick one specific thing that's quite niche down and quite specific that you can help people with. It should be something you're good at and something you like talking about. What aspect of self-improvement are you the best at? Just get that in your head and we'll go with that. Write down on your notes right now just a few ideas of what you're actually really good at in terms of self-improvement. Okay, now just choose one thing out of all the big lists you've written, okay, just to roll with for this video, just to use as the example for this video. So now we know exactly what problem your product is going to solve for people. We now need to actually build the product itself. So it could be a course, it could be a private community, it could be one-on-one personal coaching, it could be a program, it could be really anything that actually helps people, but you just have to make sure that it actually helps people. So stuff like merch and other stuff like that doesn't actually change, like properly change people's lives and doesn't actually have a massive positive impact on people's lives, we're going to forget about that, okay? So just pick one idea of what your product could actually be. At the start, I recommend to go with coaching, because coaching generally is the best just to get your first sale as fast as possible. But really, it's up to you. What type of product do you want to sell? Then put loads and loads of work into making that product really good as possible. Think of every single problem that person could have in that specific thing, okay? Think of every specific scenario that person could be encountering and give them advice for that, all right? Think of some problems and things you were struggling with in this topic when you were just starting out and solve those problems with your product. You just need to make your product really good, okay? Make sure that you're proud of it and make sure that people will be happy with it. Building a product is really a massive thing and you can go really in depth in some things. And so I'm not really gonna cover it in this video, but building a product and making your product as good as possible is just another thing that I will help you with my coaching/program. 3, start selling your product. Now you simply have to start selling. You have to funnel people from your YouTube videos into your product. And you can basically just do this by doing something called CTAing. CTA stands for call to action. So you basically just say something like, if you want to buy my product, then go click the link in the description. That's what you'd say. And obviously you wouldn't say that exact sentence, you'd say something similar and get people to just basically click the link in your description. And for the link, it could really be anything. It could be a Notion sales page. It could be a Calendly, like a sales call link. You could funnel them to a Discord server and then message them inside the Discord server there. You could get them to message you on Instagram and then sell to them through the Instagram DMs. But just decide that what you want to do, okay? Just think about how you could get people to go and buy your product, okay? What platforms you'd want them to go through and everything like that, okay? And then just simply set it up. And here's another tip. Go into incognito, go into like the incognito tab, open that up and go onto your channel, yeah? And then click one of the links on your channel, test everything in incognito, because a lot of the time, I see this happen quite a lot, where people have their links on their channel and stuff, yet they won't even work and they'll be wondering like, why am I getting any sales? Why is no one clicking my links? And it's simply just because the links don't work. Just like building a product, selling is another absolutely massive thing, okay? And again, it's another thing that I will help you with in my program. I can't really go over literally everything here just because it takes so long to do. But again, if you join my program, it's what I will help you with. And trust me, bro, selling it is a thing that most people struggle with. And I will make sure you get your first sale so fast if you join my program. I will make sure you have the selling part nailed down. 4, start getting sales. Now it's time to focus on trying to get some customers, and obviously you do this through YouTube. You basically just make videos on the same topic that your product is on. So for example, if your product is on getting better sleep, you'd make videos on how to get better sleep, okay? You just want to make really valuable and really helpful videos on the same topic as your product. Now it's at this point where views actually do start to matter, because obviously if you got like 1 view per video, you probably wouldn't get a sale for quite a while, okay? But if you were getting like under 100 views or 1,000 views per video, you'd be getting sales like literally every day. But remember, not all views are equal. A small amount of high quality people, okay, is much better than a large amount of low quality people. So again, you really just want to focus on the quality of your videos to make your videos as good as possible to get the highest quality people in. So simply get good at making valuable videos on YouTube, grow a bigger audience on YouTube, and you will easily start getting sales. Step 5, over-deliver to your customers. Now, after you've got your first few clients, you just want to completely over-deliver and give them as much value as possible. Make sure they get at least 10 times the value of what they paid for, all right? Make them super happy with the product so that they want to stick around, so they want to renew, so that they want to buy again, and so they can leave a really good testimonial. Because if you don't serve your first few clients really well, then those first few clients aren't going to be happy, are they? And so if they aren't happy, they're going to tell other people basically not to buy your product. And if your first few clients aren't happy, it's going to make other people think that your product isn't actually that good, and so they aren't going to buy either. But if people see that your first few clients are really happy and they do actually really like your program, they are actually getting a loads of advice and help from your product, then they're more likely to buy as well, because they see other people are getting value, and so they're way more likely to buy. It's simply just a rule of business. For your first few clients, you want to completely over deliver and give them as much value as possible. And not only that, it'll really help them too, okay? What I found is when you start coaching, you get your first few clients, not only with myself, but also with my students too. It's those first few clients that really stick around and become like lifelong friends. The first few clients I ever got, I'm still really good friends with them now. I'm still really close with them now. You just want to give as much value as possible to your first few clients. Completely over deliver. Step 6, keep it, don't lose it. Now, once you started making a decent amount of money, you cannot relax, okay? Because if you relax, you will lose it. The only way to stay afloat and the only way to not lose it is to basically just keep growing, okay? Because the way the market and literally everything works, the market is constantly getting better and better. And so if you aren't also getting better, then you're getting worse, because you're constantly being overtaken by other people. Making sure you actually enjoy it and making sure you're actually helping people and making sure you're actually enjoying your work plays a massive part in this, because if you love it, you are never ever gonna quit. If you're excited to start building a product, selling that product, and then making money from it, and just getting your first few sales as fast as possible, then go buy my program, bro, because I will help you and I will make sure you get your first sale as fast as possible. If you want to succeed, you have to invest into your future. It is vital. And my program, my coaching, you already know is going to help you so much. It is my mission to help you, okay? It is my mission to make sure you and other students like you succeed. I've already helped so many guys to get their first sales and to actually start loving their lives because of it. I will help you and I will make sure you get your first sale if you join my program. Again, it's the top link in the description. There's more details in there if you're interested, bro. I hope this video served you well. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.